Welcome back to our beauty talk. And every year, as Cosmoprof Asia have got a products as a souvenirs to give all the visitors to come. And this year, I just watched the videos. It's amazing. It's very young, energetic, and I love the presentations. And I know the presentation is created by your companies, right?
Yeah, true.
Mr. Elie is who I can say that I know your companies for many years already. This is very creative companies. And how to is it product design or advertising agents or creative companies? What kind of the how to say the category you will describe your company?
Okay, this is a very interesting question because many people ask us, because they don't really know why.
Because in different events or different expos, I will saw your company saying in different positions.
Yeah, because we are clearly a creative company.
Yes.
Full of creative minds and talents. And it's about 120 talents around the world that we have.
Yes.
But the thing is, that's why it's difficult sometimes to answer the questions. We are creative people, but we answer strategic questions for brands. How do we improve our brand? How do we, from a local brand, how do we become an international brand? We are in makeup, but we want to go into skincare. How do we do this? So it's partly creative answers, strategic thinking, design thinking, and we try, even though we are creative people, we try to act as entrepreneurs as well. We want to create value to our clients.
Exactly. So that's why. Do you love your jobs? This is in many difficulties. And if you have got a chance to come to Cosmoprof Asia tomorrow, so you will see the setting here is designed by your companies, right?
Yeah. If I love my job, so we always say this is the presentation of Centdegres. We always say think far, do well, which means we want to be audacious and find ideas for the future, but also we have to do things.
Yes.
You have an idea of a product, you need to design it and be sure the manufacturing is perfect. It's like this space. We design the space. We have an idea, but it's many people have ideas in the world.
Yes.
But then when you have an idea, you have to
execute.
You have to execute it perfectly. So our job is, create good ideas that are consistent, that are smart, that are trendy, that are the trend for tomorrow. Because of course we work in advance. Then we have to make them, and we have to make them successful. That's what people are asking us.
Especially for the beauty products, because I have been running my own brands long times ago, but it's not successful. But I know the procedures about the packaging. It's very difficult. And every packaging is very important, especially when you promote it in the market. First of all, it's not the texture. So first of all, it's the design of the packaging. So can you just tell us what's the creativity of these products this time?
Okay, so every year we do this partnership with the Cosmoprof.
Yes.
Hong Kong is almost the center of the world in terms of beauty because it gathers so many people from mainland China, from all over Asia, Korean people, Japanese people, from Middle East. Everybody is coming here. So what Cosmoprof wants from us is that we create some incredible event under of course the umbrella of Cosmoprof.
Yes.
So we come up with an idea and then we gather a great dream team.
Yes.
Only people that are passionate, only people that love their job, right? So we gather great people around us and we work on an idea. The idea this year was the idea of MExMe.
Yes.
The idea that now it used to be that brands had the control. Now you want people to have the control. So you have to bring creative ideas, but then you have to bring them the thought that they have the control on what they do. So here the idea is, okay, they choose a product for lips and a product for the eyes. So they have a choice. And so they come on a machine and they say, okay, for lips I want a lipstick, and for eye I want a concealer, for example. And then we have these robots from an incredible company called Wishtech. So they have robots that are taking the pieces of the product and
that's interesting.
That is assembling the different pieces and then delivering to you. So you order, you go around these incredible robots that are dancing, and then at the end you just receive your product. And what we wanted to show is different things. Is first, when you have different people working together, under art direction. So we operate the art direction, the ID, and the management. So if you gather different people doing machines, you don't think maybe they can be creative, but they are. So people doing machines, people doing the bulk of the product, the packaging, the cardboard. All these people working together can make something incredible. First idea, second idea. The excitement of people on the idea that you can operate yourself and then see your product being assembled.
Yes.
And also the idea that manufacturing machine, these robots are manufacturing machines.
Yes.
But if you think about the use of these machines in a retail environment, it can make a retail of tomorrow full of fun. So it's I think beauty industry has to do something with playfulness now.
Yeah,
even
exactly.
the luxury, as you know.
Because beauty products for me is when I was a little kid, it's 25 years ago, so when I just first steps in this industry, it's a lot fabulous. So every season have got a different colors promotions, and every brand have got a different style. But I can say that for the past 10 years, it's something like stop. It's just the people. It's haven't got any creativity. It's all the earth tone is the earth tones. It's the same colors. People say maybe haven't got some happiness on makeup, fun on makeup, and when you make your skin beauty and make your skin comfortable, you will be happy. So I think this is what the beauty products is to bring us the atmospheres of ourselves. This is the main point. But yesterday I saw your videos. It's make me wow. Feel it. I can feel it. I can feel the products. It's to bring me a lot of fun and a lot of happiness. And this is what I think. This is the creativity is very important, because if just the products, for me as working this field for 25 years, it's nothing special. But when I watch this video, wow, amazing.
Yeah.
So I will be upload the videos on my YouTube later, the day after finish the Cosmoprof, so you guys can feel it and what about the happiness I can receive it. So I would like to know what's the products different parts to join together. Right?
Okay, because actually you choose, like, let's say this is a lip gloss and this is eyeliner. Yeah. So you choose these two, and so the robot is assembling like this. And then you have a product, but your friend chooses this one. This one is lipstick and lip balm.
So everyone can make their own.
Everyone can make it different, and you can choose the color of the caps. And it's exactly your question. Do you love your job? And if you love your job, you can communicate something strong to the consumers. And it's of course you have to be very serious. If you look at this, it's well done. I mean, it's not, the idea is fun, but the way you do it is really serious, because beauty is a serious issue.
Yes,
but also it has to bring joy, playfulness, and that's the idea. If you bring this, I mean, I'm not saying you succeed, but it's an element of success, because now beauty has to bring you this joy, this happiness that you are talking about. It's so important. And also people want not necessarily new product every day, because I think also timeless.
Yes, everyone have got a
important.
timeless list.
Yeah. And some products you love them for 20 years.
Yeah, for me, it's also in my makeup case, it's also some product is bring from the first day till now.
And you want to be faithful to these products, but then you need new experiences. You need to look at a new video from you, and new ideas, new ways of using them, new ways of putting your lipstick. I don't know. Even though you're faithful to a lipstick, you want a new way. Or you go to a store, you want someone to explain you something else. I believe also very much, even though we have been putting these robots.
Yes.
I think humanity.
It's already have existed robots already.
Humanity, the human touch, the way you explain to your fans your vision of beauty. So it's your vision. It's very important, and the fact that we also consider who is buying, more and more. I think with digital, we have this ability to know a bit more who is the person who is buying.
Yes.
So there is this necessity of, even though the digital is everywhere, robots are everywhere, the need of humanity.
Exactly.
You see what I mean?
Because I was running the online beauty business almost as a KOL for 7 years in China, but why I have got a suddenly change this year is because I think, digital is just a robot, but who gives the content? Professional give the content. So this is called KOL, but I created another one. It's a KOU. It's the key opinion to the user. And everyone can be a user. You can be a user. Maybe you are not a makeup artist, but you have a feeling to use the product. So I create a verse of this.
Fantastic
and then
idea, I love it. Can I use it and pay you a royalty?
You know what? Because it's about saving the marketing fee. Because it's just everyone have got a new products and they just try it on and then they just speak out in the videos as what's the feelings. That is the true comments. This is the advertising, I think. So
I love
the last question I would like to know, why these times we call We by Me?
Because two ideas here. I am, it's like key opinion user. I am important. Me by me. Me multiplied by me. I am important, and therefore I want a product that looks like me, right? So it's the importance of myself in this whole beauty industry.
This is very important, confidence. And when you have got the confidence, when you put the lipsticks on your lips, it's beautiful. You will have got confidence walking in the street.
So me multiplied by me. I want to be me, but highest way. And second idea is mix. So we're mixing different products. I'm mixing a lip product with an eye product. So this is a mix and match for men, for women. No gender. So this idea of opening. So it's me by me, and also mix. I want to mix products so that I have exactly the product I want. So these two ideas to create this name that I love actually. I love the name.
Yes.
I love my job, but I love the name.
Yes, I love the name too, because this time is last year. I remember it's a bottle of a serums and something like the wooden covers, right? So I think
skin tonic.
Skin tonics, and have got some flowers, pink and petals inside. But this year's with the videos and promotions, all the things, and before this interviews, I would like this interview can bring all the readers have got a happiness and have a confidence. We must have got confidence in your society in Hong Kong, so no worry about anything about just make it beauty.